Do not ask what the feast can do for you, but what you can do for the feast. Do not ask what your friends can do for you, but what you can do for your friends. I grew up with a community, charismatic community, and most of them live by the principle of these three-letter B's. Believe, behave, belong. Maniwala ka muna, marikinig ka ng talk sa mga seminars, sa CLSS, kanta-kanta, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos maya-maya, pababaitin ka, kailangan mabait ka. Bago ka maging membro nito, pakabait ka muna. And then, they will usher you into the community. May pinuntahan pa ako, meron kang parang point system para maging servant ka ng community na yon. So, believe, behave, belong. Praise God, my dear friends, because the feast has radicalized